Powercat Financial as a whole is helping Kansas State become a next-gen university because we're going to educate you and we're going to give you resources in order to help you make that next step. We meet you where you are. So our peer-to-peer program, we've got students who have been trained meeting with other students. That really matters. You're meeting with somebody that's like you, who has the training, who has the supervision, so that you can count on it being done right.
I really wanted to find some help, and so I reached out to some people, and I just asked, hey, who could help with my financial problems, and they immediately suggested Powercat Financial for me. And so I did get an opportunity to be a financial well-being ambassador, which will allow me to help with students who are seeking that help and assistance in financial literacy.
Powercat Financial education across campus started about 2 years ago, and we take financial education into different majors, into different departments, into different buildings to ensure that students all across campus have access to timely financial education that makes sense. So budgeting, credit, preparing to negotiate for job offers, understanding how college funding works. These are just some of the offerings that we take into the classroom so that even if you're not a personal financial planning major, you get to have some relevant, timely education right there in your classroom.
It's just good to know that I have Powercat Financial on my side, and from that aspect, there's help everywhere. You just have to find it. I know that in Powercat Financial I found it.